Welcome to the SCT 815 setup video. In this video, we will unpack the unit and show you how to assemble it. Unpack the mount for the laser rangefinder. Remove the operating instructions. Open the box and remove the base plate. Place the base plate on a working surface with the leveling screws pointing up. Unpack the tool holder. Unpack the prismatic reflector. Unpack the line laser mount. Cut the wire ties from the guide tubes. Unpack and sort the screws, washers, and hex nuts. Separate the two guide tubes. Place one of the guide tubes onto the base plate. Locate the Allen head screws and washers. Place a washer over an Allen-headed screw. Install the Allen screws and tighten to the specifications below. Repeat the process of installing the second guide tube onto the base plate. Remove the knurled screw and separate the tool holder halves. Install the tool holder behind the guide tubes. The threaded plastic bolt of the tool holder points up to the base plate triangle. Install the tool holder top half onto the bottom half, aligning the guide pins. Install the knurled nut. Attach the line laser mount to the guide tubes. The arrestor cable and the spirit level should point towards the base plate triangle. Install the countersunk bolts through the line laser mount and guide tube and install the washer and hex nut. Tighten to the specifications below. Slide the prismatic reflector onto the tool holder. The prismatic reflector points away from the base plate triangle. Slide the reflector onto the tool holder. Install the plastic screws on the tool holder to prevent the prismatic reflector from sliding off. Install the mount for the laser rangefinder over the top of the prismatic reflector. The slot of the mount for the laser rangefinder fits over the top of the prismatic reflector. Place the laser rangefinder into the mount. Install the line laser on the top of the SCT 815. Install the arrestor cable to secure the line laser. This concludes the SCT 815 setup video. Thank you for your purchase, and we hope this quality Bosch product serves you for many years.